Welcome to QuickTechie.com, Palo Alto Networks, Network Security Generalist Certification Training. Let's dive into next module.
Premium GlobalProtect function. Okay, let's talk about the Premium GlobalProtect function. GlobalProtect is a Palo Alto Networks technology that allows remote users to connect securely to their company's network resources and the Internet. The Premium version includes advanced security capabilities. The main function of Premium GlobalProtect is to connect individual remote users' devices securely to the network. Individual remote users. These are employees working from outside the main office, like from home, traveling, or a coffee shop. Devices. These are the computers, laptops, tablets, or phones that the users are using. Connects securely to the network. The GlobalProtect agent software installed on the user's device establishes a secure, encrypted connection, a VPN tunnel, from their device over the Internet to the company's security gateway. This makes their connection protected. The network they are connecting to, in this context, is the company's secure network and access points, which will lead to resources or the Internet. So, the first function is getting remote individuals and their devices safely connected. Once connected, Premium GlobalProtect routes user Internet and private application traffic to a cloud security service, part of SASE. Routes user Internet and private application traffic means that all the network traffic generated by the user, whether they are trying to access websites on the Internet or connect to private applications hosted inside the company's data center, is directed and sent through that secure connection. It is routed to a cloud security service. In the case of Premium GlobalProtect, this service is Prisma Access, which is part of SASE. So, all the user's traffic goes from their device into the secure tunnel and is sent to the Prisma Access security platform running in the cloud. This is different from sending traffic directly to the Internet or back to a firewall at the main office. The function of Premium GlobalProtect is to make sure all the remote users' traffic first goes to this central, cloud-based security checkpoint. In summary, the Premium GlobalProtect function is to provide a secure connection for individual remote users' devices and to make sure all their Internet and company application traffic is sent to a central cloud security service, Prisma Access, for inspection and control, no matter where they are located physically. Connects individual remote users' devices securely to the network. Okay, let's focus on connects individual remote users' devices securely to the network. This explains the first and most basic job of GlobalProtect for employees working outside the office. An individual remote user is a single employee who is working from a location other than the company's main office, like home, a cafe, a hotel, etc. They are using a computer, laptop, tablet, or phone, their device. To get their work done, they need to access company resources or the Internet. GlobalProtect's first function is to make sure their device is connected securely to the company's network. Securely means using methods that protect their communication, usually encryption, so their data is safe as it travels over the public Internet. GlobalProtect typically uses a piece of software called the GlobalProtect agent, which the user installs on their device. When the user wants to access the network securely, they activate this agent. The agent's job is to create a protected, encrypted connection, a VPN tunnel, over the Internet. This tunnel goes from the user's device to a specific security gateway, which is part of the company's network infrastructure, or in the case of Prisma Access, the cloud security network. So, connects individual remote users' devices securely to the network, means that GlobalProtect provides a way for a single employee working from a distant location to establish a safe and encrypted connection from their specific computer, laptop, or phone to the company's network entry point. This secure connection is the first step to making sure their network activity is protected and controlled. It brings the remote user's device into the company's security domain, even though they are physically far away. Routes user Internet and private application traffic to a cloud security service, part of SASE. Okay, let's focus on routes user Internet and private application traffic to a cloud security service, part of SASE. This explains where the remote user's network activity goes after they connect using GlobalProtect. We know that GlobalProtect connects an individual remote user's device securely. Once that secure connection, the VPN tunnel, is established from the user's device, GlobalProtect's function is to control where the user's network traffic goes next. It routes user traffic. Routes means it sends the traffic along a specific path. The traffic being routed is user internet traffic, when the user tries to access websites, search engines, or any other service on the public internet. Private application traffic, when the user tries to access applications or data that are hosted inside the company's own network, like servers in the data center or applications in a private cloud. All this traffic is sent to a cloud security service. This means the traffic doesn't go directly from the user's home internet connection to its final destination. Instead, it is directed through the secure tunnel to a security service that is running over the internet in the cloud. In the case of Premium GlobalProtect, this cloud security service is Prisma Access, which is a key part of SASE. So, GlobalProtect ensures that all the remote users' network activity, whether they are trying to reach a public website or a private company application, is sent to the Prisma Access cloud platform for processing and security checks. Think of it like the secure tunnel from the user's device is an entry ramp onto a private, secure highway that leads directly to a central security checkpoint in the cloud, Prisma Access. All their network, cars, traffic, are directed onto this highway to go to the checkpoint. So, routes user internet and private application traffic to a cloud security service, part of SASE, means that GlobalProtect sends all the remote users' network communication, whether it's going to public internet sites or internal company resources, through its secure tunnel to the Prisma Access cloud platform. This ensures that all their traffic is processed and secured by the cloud service. Utilizing CDSS for GlobalProtect security. Okay, let's talk about utilizing CDSS for GlobalProtect security. We know that remote users connect using GlobalProtect, and their traffic is routed to a cloud security service, Prisma Access, which is part of SASE. This service in the cloud is responsible for applying security to the remote user's traffic. To provide very strong and advanced security, this cloud security service uses Cloud-Delivered Security Services, CDSS. CDSS are the powerful analysis engines and threat intelligence provided by Palo Alto Networks from their cloud. Utilizing CDSS for GlobalProtect security means that the cloud security service, Prisma Access, that handles GlobalProtect traffic actively uses or utilizes the capabilities of CDSS to protect the remote users. Specifically, Prisma Access, the cloud service used by GlobalProtect, leverages CDSS for advanced analysis. Prisma Access is the security platform in the cloud where the remote user's traffic goes. Leverages CDSS means Prisma Access connects to and uses the services of CDSS effectively. It sends suspicious traffic or relevant information to CDSS. For advanced analysis, CDSS performs sophisticated checks using its massive cloud power and global threat intelligence. This analysis goes beyond basic security checks and is designed to find new, complex, or hidden threats. So, traffic from a GlobalProtect user arrives at Prisma Access, and Prisma Access uses CDSS in the cloud to analyze that traffic very deeply for threats and other security issues. The sentence also lists what CDSS specifically provides for this security. CDSS provides capabilities like advanced threat intelligence and sensitive data pattern recognition. Advanced threat intelligence. CDSS gives Prisma Access up-to-date information about the very latest malware, attack methods, and bad websites seen globally. Sensitive data pattern recognition. CDSS has the ability to scan traffic content for patterns that indicate sensitive information, like credit card numbers or confidential data. These are the capabilities that CDSS provides to Prisma Access, allowing Prisma Access to deliver stronger security for GlobalProtect users. Prisma Access uses these capabilities to identify new threats hidden in the remote user's traffic or spot if they are trying to send sensitive data. In summary, utilizing CDSS for GlobalProtect security means that the Prisma Access cloud platform that secures remote users' connections actively uses the advanced analysis capabilities and intelligence from Cloud-Delivered Security Services, CDSS. This allows Prisma Access to perform very sophisticated threat detection and sensitive data scanning on GlobalProtect user traffic, providing a higher level of security than would be possible with local security alone. Prisma Access, the cloud service used by GlobalProtect, leverages CDSS for advanced analysis. Okay, let's focus on Prisma Access, the cloud service used by GlobalProtect, leverages CDSS for advanced analysis. This explains how Prisma Access gets its enhanced security power for remote users. We know that when a remote user connects using GlobalProtect, their network traffic goes to the Prisma Access cloud. Prisma Access is the cloud service used by GlobalProtect to provide security for that user's connection and traffic. Now, to provide very strong security, Prisma Access doesn't just have basic security checks. It uses the power of CDSS, Cloud-Delivered Security Services, which are the advanced security intelligence and analysis systems running in the Palo Alto Networks cloud. Prisma Access leverages CDSS. To leverage means to use something effectively to gain an advantage. Prisma Access uses the resources and capabilities of CDSS. Why does it leverage CDSS? For advanced analysis. This means CDSS performs sophisticated, in-depth security checking on the traffic coming from GlobalProtect users. This advanced analysis goes beyond simple signature matching. It involves complex processes to find new malware, identify sophisticated attack patterns, and analyze suspicious files or behaviors that a local firewall might miss. CDSS uses its huge computing power and constantly updated global threat intelligence to do this analysis. So, Prisma Access, the cloud service used by GlobalProtect, leverages CDSS for advanced analysis, means that the Prisma Access security platform, which protects remote users connecting with GlobalProtect, relies on and effectively uses the powerful security analysis systems, CDSS, running in the Palo Alto Networks cloud. This allows Prisma Access to perform very deep and sophisticated security checks on the remote user's traffic to find and stop advanced threats that require cloud-scale analysis and the latest global intelligence. CDSS provides capabilities like advanced threat intelligence and sensitive data pattern recognition. Okay, let's focus on CDSS provides capabilities like advanced threat intelligence and sensitive data pattern recognition. This explains the specific security tools that CDSS offers to Prisma Access to protect remote users. CDSS refers to the cloud-delivered security services offered by Palo Alto Networks from their cloud. These services are built with powerful security features. CDSS provides capabilities. It offers specific security functions and information that Prisma Access can use. These capabilities are like specialized tools that CDSS makes available. Two key examples of these capabilities provided by CDSS are 1. Advanced Threat Intelligence. This is a powerful capability for finding and stopping threats. Threat intelligence is information about malware, hacking methods, dangerous websites, and other cyber dangers. Advanced means this information is sophisticated, constantly updated, and includes details about the newest and most complex threats seen globally. CDSS constantly gathers and processes this intelligence. By providing this to Prisma Access, CDSS enables Prisma Access to know about and block the very latest threats that might try to affect GlobalProtect users. 2. Sensitive Data Pattern Recognition. This is a capability related to data loss prevention, DLP. Sensitive data pattern recognition means the ability to scan network traffic content and identify specific patterns that indicate sensitive information, such as the format of a credit card number, a social security number, or a confidential keyword. CDSS has powerful analysis engines with extensive knowledge of these patterns globally. By providing this capability, CDSS allows Prisma Access to accurately scan the traffic of GlobalProtect users for confidential data being sent out, even if it's disguised. So, CDSS provides capabilities like advanced threat intelligence and sensitive data pattern recognition, means that the cloud-delivered security services offer powerful security tools, including access to the latest information about new threats and the ability to spot sensitive data patterns. Prisma Access uses these specific capabilities from CDSS to perform strong security checks on network traffic coming from remote users, providing them with enhanced protection against both threats and data loss. Enhanced security for remote users. Okay, let's explain enhanced security for remote users. Remote users are employees who are working from outside the traditional office network, like from home, coffee shops, or while traveling. Enhanced security means providing them with a level of protection that is stronger and more effective than just relying on their basic home internet security. This enhanced security for remote users is provided by sending their network traffic to the Prisma Access Cloud Security Service, which utilizes CDSS. How is this enhanced security delivered? 1. Full NGFW security, threat prevention, URL filtering, App ID, is applied in the cloud, backed by CDSS. Instead of just basic firewall checks, the remote user's traffic goes through the full capabilities of a next-generation firewall, NGFW. This includes essential security functions like scanning for viruses and attacks, threat prevention, checking if websites are safe or allowed, URL filtering, and figuring out the exact application being used, App ID. These powerful security checks are not happening on the user's device or their home router. They are applied in the cloud by the Prisma Access service. Crucially, these NGFW functions in the cloud are backed by CDSS. This means the cloud security service uses the advanced analysis power and constantly updated threat intelligence from cloud-delivered security services to make these security checks, threat prevention, URL filtering, App ID, etc., much more effective, especially against new and complex threats. 2. This setup enables deep inspection and policy enforcement on remote user traffic regardless of location. Because the remote user's traffic is sent to the cloud security service and put through decryption, if needed, and the powerful NGFW, CDSS checks, the system can perform deep inspection, looking closely inside the traffic content for threats or sensitive data. It also allows for strong policy enforcement, making sure the company's rules about what applications and resources the user can access are strictly applied. This is possible on remote user traffic because the security processing happens in the cloud. The key benefit is that this enhanced level of deep inspection and policy enforcement works the same way regardless of location. It doesn't matter if the user is connecting from their house, a hotel, or anywhere else. Their traffic is always sent to the cloud for the same high level of security processing. In summary, enhanced security for remote users means that employees working outside the office get much stronger protection. This is achieved by sending all their traffic to the Prisma Access Cloud, where full next-generation firewall security functions, like threat scanning and web filtering, which are powered by advanced cloud services, CDSS, are applied. This enables deep security checks and strict rule enforcement on all their network activity, providing a high and consistent level of security no matter where they are physically located. Full NGFW security, threat prevention, URL filtering, App ID, is applied in the cloud, backed by CDSS. Okay, let's focus on full NGFW security, threat prevention, URL filtering, App ID, is applied in the cloud, backed by CDSS. This is about the level of security protection remote users get from Prisma Access. When a remote user connects using GlobalProtect, their network traffic goes to the Prisma Access Cloud Security Platform. This is where the security checks happen. Full NGFW security functions refers to the complete set of powerful security features that Palo Alto Networks' next-generation firewalls are known for. It means they get the full set of advanced security protections, not just a basic level. These functions include important things like threat prevention, scanning the traffic for viruses, malware, and attack code. URL filtering, checking if the website being visited is safe or forbidden. App ID, identifying the specific application being used to apply accurate rules. And more, like checking files for malware or preventing sensitive data leakage. These full NGFW security functions are applied to the remote user's traffic. This means the user's data is put through all these advanced security checks. Importantly, This happens in the cloud. The security scanning and policy enforcement are done by the security systems running within the Prisma Access infrastructure, which is located in the Internet cloud. It's not happening on the user's laptop or their home router. Furthermore, this security in the cloud is backed by CDSS. Backed by means supported and made more powerful by. CDSS, Cloud-Delivered Security Services, are the advanced security analysis services that Palo Alto Networks provides from their cloud, like global threat intelligence and advanced malware analysis services. Prisma Access uses these CDSS capabilities. So, the NGFW security functions running in the cloud are made stronger, smarter, and more up-to-date because they use the intelligence and analysis power from CDSS. In summary, full NGFW security, threat prevention, URL filtering, App ID, is applied in the cloud, backed by CDSS, means that remote users connecting through GlobalProtect get the benefit of all of Palo Alto Networks' advanced security checks, like comprehensive threat and web filtering, and accurate application control. These security checks are performed by the Prisma Access cloud platform and are made even more powerful and current by using the advanced analysis and intelligence from cloud-delivered security services. This provides strong, cloud-based security for all remote user traffic. Enables deep inspection and policy enforcement on remote user traffic regardless of location. Okay, let's focus on enables deep inspection and policy enforcement on remote user traffic regardless of location. This explains a key security benefit that Prisma Access provides for employees working outside the office. First, think about the remote user traffic. This is all the network data that an employee working from home, a coffee shop, or while traveling sends and receives using their device. When a remote user connects using GlobalProtect, all their traffic is sent to the Prisma Access Cloud Security Service. Because the traffic is going through this cloud service, two important security functions become possible for that traffic. 1. Deep inspection. This means the security service can look inside the network traffic, examining the actual content, like files being downloaded or uploaded, for hidden threats like malware or sensitive data. This is made possible by decryption and advanced analysis capabilities, often from CDSS. 2. Policy enforcement. The security service applies the company's rules, policies, to the traffic, deciding whether to allow an application, block access to a website, or prevent certain data transfers. Prisma Access makes possible, both of these things, deep inspection and policy enforcement, for all that remote user traffic. The key benefit is that this enabled security works regardless of location. Regardless of location means it doesn't matter where the remote user is physically connecting from. Whether they are at home, in a hotel, or another city, their traffic is sent to the Prisma Access Cloud. Because the security processing, deep inspection and policy enforcement happens in the cloud platform, it is applied consistently and with the same level of detail to all their traffic, no matter their physical location. So, enables deep inspection and policy enforcement on remote user traffic regardless of location, means that by directing remote users' network traffic to the Prisma Access Cloud, the security system can perform thorough checks of the traffic's content and apply the company's security rules strictly. This advanced level of security and control works the same way for all remote employees, no matter where they are physically located when they connect through GlobalProtect.